Hi everyone, my name's Elizabeth Espinosa, and I'm going to talk about how collaboration and communication play an important role in my learners' partnership with the global community. Well, what is collaboration? It is the action or process of working with two or more people to achieve a goal or produce something. How can my learners collaborate with others in the global community? Collaboration and communication in the 21st century can broaden students' partnerships with a global community. Collaboration is essential in education. The first step in my learners being able to collaborate and communicate with others in the global community is by understanding just how diverse our community really is. Diversity and its impact on how we work together is particularly critical when we look at the current management literature on teamwork and its role in increasing organizational efficiency and effectiveness. How does my idea support my learner's process for learning? Well, the Global Collaboration Network is the leading site that promotes digital technologies for connecting and collaborating beyond the classroom walls. The Global Collaboration Network offers best practice curriculum designed to embed global learning experiences into everyday teaching. This online global platform shares opportunities for learning, collaboration, tools, methods, and even curriculum development. This platform is an ideal way to foster international and global collaboration using technology. When collaborating in a diverse group of people, there is more room for creativity, which does lead to optimal results. This is the positive impact of collaborating with a diverse group of individuals. How does my idea support my learners' evidence and final products of learning? Global Collaboration Network allows learners to demonstrate examples of engaging in real-world issues while identifying social justice issues and civic engagement. Here is an example of a philanthropy program at a public school in Boston. This program is designed to provide students to understand impoverished communities with critical thinking skills. They need to become more active and engaged members of their communities and the world at large.
We are the Girls Learn International Club, and so we are connected with the Zabuli Education Center in Afghanistan, and that's the first all-girls school in Afghanistan. So basically what we do is we help support them. We raise funds, we raise money for them by holding different fundraisers in our school. We attend video conferences with them so we can connect and discuss different global issues. Yeah, so it's human rights was last year, and this year we're talking about environmental issues. It's actually an upcoming movie called What Tomorrow Brings, and it's airing in our school auditorium. And Razia Shan, the founder of the girls' school, is gonna go and talk, and she's going to explain her story. Hearing her speak is the most amazing thing ever. She's by far the most inspiring person I've ever met in my entire life, and it's so obvious how passionate she is about this issue. And we've had her, she's been at the school when we video conference with them, and then she's came to our school when we video conference, so we've had her on both sides of that screen, and it's really amazing to be able to see her in person. Yeah, just the experience of this club has been amazing. It's like opened my eyes to so many different things in the world that we don't have to deal with here in America. And especially in our town, because it's so diverse, we're kind of sheltered from those issues outside in like the real world. So it's really opened my eyes.
Well, that is an example. Let's see. So that is the global an example of the Global Collaboration Network, and it allows learners to demonstrate examples of engaging in real world issues while identifying social justice issues and civic engagement. As a future educator, I will utilize this platform, which is right here. This is the platform where you can sign in and participate, the Global Collaboration Network. So, as a future educator, I will utilize this platform to not only teach the importance of collaboration and diversity, but also the importance of taking an active role in global social problems. Thank you for watching.